I'm Tess Schultz with Tulip Square, and today I'm going to show you how to take all your scrappy little strips and turn them into this scrappy quilt block. Cute, isn't it? I love this one. All of the measurements and things that you need are in a PDF you can download in the description. And also we show you there how it'll look in different configurations and stuff. So always make sure to download our PDFs. They're free for our quilt blocks, and it shows you everything you need. So go ahead and get that. And then we will head over to the sewing machine and make this split stripe scrappy quilt block. Say that 10 times fast. Okay, let's make some scrappy squares, shall we? To start off with, well, I've got 4 of these 7-inch squares, and we're going to set those aside for now. And I've got all of these strips that I've cut out of my scraps. Now these are all between 7.5 and 8 inches long. You want to make sure they're at least 7.5 inches long. Make sure you have room to trim a little bit if you need to. And some of these are 1 inch wide, some are 1.25 inches, some are 1.5 inches. And then the 2 on the ends are a little bit wider, a little bit, just to make sure I have plenty of room to trim if I need to. So I have enough for 1 square, and then I have another set. So I have 9 strips of various sizes in each one. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, first we're just going to sew all of these strips together. So this will be 1 square, and then this will be 1 square. So let's do that. I might have accidentally switched at some point, but that's okay. Another good reason why to leave a little extra to trim off. Now I'm just going to press these both, and it doesn't matter what direction, just whatever's easiest. Now I've got these. And I definitely did switch at some point because I don't think those two are next to each other. I'm going to trim both of these to 7 inches square. Now we have these 2 squares cut to 7 inches, and we're going to take each one and one of our background color. I'm going to line that up really nice, and then we're going to draw a line, diagonal line right down the middle. And then you're going to sew a 1/4 inch on either side of that line. You want to do them both the same, so your stripes lining up this way, you're going to go this corner to this corner on both of them. Nice 1/4 inch seam. Now that you've sewn on either side of that line, we're just going to cut it in half right on the line that you drew. Now we're just going to open these and press them. Now you have 4 of these. There's the 1/2, and there is the other half. So you're going to take 2 of them that came from 1/2, put them like that. Then you're going to take the other ones and place them like that. Then you'll just pair these up and sew that together. And sew that together. Now you've got your 2 halves, and we're just going to sew it together right along there. Line up your center seam. And there it is, your scrappy split stripe quilt block. And there you have it, a scrappy split stripe quilt block. Wasn't that fun and easy? And you can vary the stripes however you want, anything you want. And imagine this as a whole quilt. I would love to see that. If anybody makes this as an entire quilt, please send us pictures because we'd love to see that. So if you liked this block and you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit that little bell if you want to be notified every time we put up a new video. Don't forget to check out our website at tulipsquare.com, where you can find all of our free blocks and our patterns as well. And don't forget to share this video with your quilting friends. We will see you next week with a brand new video, and until then, happy sewing!